Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English of Standard 1. Children, in our previous class, we all have gone through our chapter Asma's House. And today, we will complete the question answer and bookwork of the same chapter. So, let us start with the question answer. Answer these questions. Number 1. What does Asma's house have? Answer. Asma's house has a garden and a small gate. Question number 2. What is Asma doing? Answer. Asma is playing in the garden. Question number 3. Who is Ali? Answer. Ali is Asma's little brother. Question number 4. Where is the squirrel? Answer. The squirrel is up there on the branch. Question number 5. What did Ali give to the squirrel? Answer. Ali gives a nut to the squirrel. Now, my dear students, please open your book and let's complete our bookwork. Children, please open the page number 10. Understanding the story. Number A. Complete the sentences with the correct words. Children, we have to select the correct words given in the bracket to complete the sentences. So let's complete now. Number 1. There is a dash tree in Asma's garden. In bracket, it has given gulmohar or mango. The correct answer will be gulmohar. We will fill up there gulmohar. There is a gulmohar tree in Asma's garden. Number 2. The owl lives in a dash in the tree. In bracket, option is given hole or nest. The correct answer is hole. The owl lives in a hole in the tree. Number 3. Asma's brother is playing with a dash. Option is given rabbit or a squirrel. The correct word will be squirrel. Asma's brother is playing with a squirrel. Number 4. Ali gives a dash to the squirrel. Option is fruit or nut. The correct word will be nut. Ali gives a nut to the squirrel. Now, let's move to the next question at the same page, page number 10. Children, see at the bottom. It has been written enjoying the story. Look at the words in color. What do you know about them from this story? Circle the correct words. Children, just you see, some words are written in color. Children, we have to circle the correct words for the color words according to the story. So, let's start. Number 1. House. Option is A. Green, B. Blue, C. Orange. According to the story, the house was painted blue in color. So, the correct word will be option B, blue. Now, number 2, gate. How was the gate? Number A, small. Option B, big. Option C, tall. The gate was small. So, the correct answer will be small. Number 3, Asma. Option A is 5, B 10, option C 6. According to our story, the correct option will be C 6. Asma is 6 years old in the story. So the correct answer will be 6. Children, in our previous class, we have learned about noun. Now we will know about kinds of noun. Children, there are mainly 5 kinds of noun. First one is proper noun, second common noun, third collective noun, fourth material noun, and fifth abstract noun. Children, today we will learn about proper noun. What is proper noun? Children, a proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place, or thing. Children, the word proper means one's own. Children, just you see in your book at page number 11, grammar and uses. Here, some of the examples are given of proper noun. Let's see. Read these sentences. Asma is playing in the garden. Second one is Ali is playing with a squirrel. Ali and Asma are the names of boy and the girl in the story. They are proper noun. Proper nouns are special names we give to people, days or months, places, things. Just you see in the, for example, people such as Mary, Mukul, Anita, Rahim, Kareem, Sultana, etc. Just to see in second, days and months. For example, Monday, Friday, April, July, September, December, etc. Same as of place. Mumbai, Mount Everest, Kolkata, etc. Now things. For example, Amul, Lux, Bata, Camlin, etc. These all are the examples of proper noun. Children, just you see at page number 11, here is some questions related to proper noun. Circle the proper nouns in these sentences. Here, children, here some of the sentences are given. We have to circle the proper noun from that sentences. Number 1, today is Tuesday. The correct word will be Tuesday. Tuesday is proper noun because it is a particular name of a day. Number 2, Rahul is at the zoo. Here proper noun will be Rahul. Circle the word Rahul because it is the particular name of a person. Number 3, can I buy a Kit Kat? Here Kit Kat is a particular name of a thing, so it is a proper noun. So please circle the word Kit Kat. That is the correct word. Number 4, we are going to S Bakery. Here the word S Bakery is proper noun. Circle the word S Bakery because it is the particular name of a place. Number 5, Seema lives in Kanpur. In this sentence, there are 2 words which are proper noun. First one is Seema and second one is Kanpur. Circle these 2 words. First Seema and second Kanpur. Seema because it is a particular name of a person and Kanpur because it is a particular name of a place. Did you understand, children? Very good. Children, now at the bottom and the same page, page number 11, it has given about the article. Now let's know about the articles. Children, a, an or the are known as articles. But in your book, it has only given about a and an. So let's see what are the use of a and an. First, it has a garden. Second, an owl lives in a hole in the tree. We use a and an with a noun to show there is only one of something. A tree, an umbrella. We use an with words that begin with the sound that A, E, I, O and U. Children, we use an before the word that begins with the vowel sound such as A, E, I, O, U. Children, as we know that there are 26 alphabets in English, and from that 5 of them are known as vowel such as A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel. So the and rest of them are known as consonant except these 5 because these 5 alphabets are known as vowel and the rest of them are known as consonant. So children, we use an before the word which begins with the vowel sound, and we use a with the words that begins with the consonant sound, or we can say that we use a with words that begin with all the other sounds. Children, now please open the page number 12. Just you see, here are some questions related with the articles a or an. Just see what are the questions. B. Take the correct word in the brackets. Children, we have to select the correct articles according to our sentence. So let's start. Number 1. I have in bracket a or an orange, and again in bracket a or an banana in my bag. Children, just you see the word orange. Orange is started with the vowel sound O, and already I have told you that before the word which begins with the vowel sound, before that we put an. So the correct option will be an. I have an orange. Just you tick out on an. After that you say I have an orange, and in bracket it has given a or an banana in my bag. Children, I have told you already that banana, the word banana begins with the consonant. Very good. And before consonant we use a. So the correct option will be a. I have an orange and a banana in my bag. Similarly, we will solve the rest of the questions. Number 2. My mother cut a or an onion. The correct option will be an. Just you tick on an. And a or an potato. The correct option will be A. So, my mother cut an onion and a potato. Question number 3. We carry in bracket a or an basket. The correct word will be a. We carry a basket. And a or an umbrella to the market. The correct word will be an. So the correct sentence will be we carry a basket and an umbrella to the market. Number 4. There is in bracket a or an picture. The correct word will be a. Of in bracket a or an owl on the wall. The correct word will be an. So the correct sentence will be there is a picture of an owl on the wall. Number 5. I saw in bracket a or an elephant. The correct word will be an. Just you tick on an. And in bracket a or an giraffe at the zoo. The correct word will be a. So the correct sentence will be I saw an elephant and a giraffe at the zoo. Number 6. There is in bracket a or an cow. The correct word will be a. And again in bracket a or an ox in the small farm. The correct word will be an. Now the correct sentence will be there is a cow and an ox in the small farm. Children, on the same page number 12, just to see question number C, complete these sentences with a or an. Children, we have to complete these sentences which are given below with the word a or an to make a complete sentences. So let's begin. Number 1. There is dash apple on the table. Eat it if you are hungry. There will be an. There is an apple on the table. Eat it if you are hungry. It has been already done for you. For example, question number 2. I want to eat an ice cream. It is a hot day. Number 3. Dash bird is sitting in the tree. There will be a. A bird is sitting in the tree. Number 4. He is riding dash bicycle in the park. The correct word will be a. He is riding a bicycle in the park. Number 5. Dash ostrich can run very fast. The correct word will be an. An ostrich can run very fast. Number 6. There is dash ant in the cup. The correct word will be an. There is an ant in the cup. Number 7. The bird has dash egg in the nest. The correct word will be an. The bird has an egg in the nest. My dear children, now just please open page number 13. Words in use. Look at these pictures. Then complete the word puzzle. My dear student, just you see the picture. It is given at the side. Just you see the picture very carefully. There are some words also given in the box, such as garden, gate, window, door, wall. Children, these all are the parts of a building. We have to use these words to complete the given puzzles. By the help of these words, we have to complete the puzzles. So, number 1. Please lock the dash. The first word is given D. What will be? Please lock the door. Very good. The correct word will be door. D-O-O-R, door. Please lock the door. Number 2. My school has a big dash. The correct word will be gate. G-A-T-E, gate. My school has a big gate. Number 3. It is raining. Please shut the dash. The correct word will be window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. So the correct sentence will be, it is raining. Please shut the window. Number 4. Asma's house has a dash. Just you see in the picture. What picture is given? Very good. The correct word will be garden. Asma's house has a garden. G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Now, number 5. Do not draw on the dash. The correct word will be wall. Do not draw on the wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Children, now please open the page number 14. Just you look at the bottom. It has been written writing. Look at this picture. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Children, just you see some of the words are given in the box. We have to fill the blanks with the help of these words. So, number 1. Asma and Ali are in the dash. Just you see at the picture. Where are they? In the park. So, the correct word will be park. Asma and Ali are in the park. Number 2. Asma is wearing a yellow dash. What she is wearing? She has wear a cap. So the correct option will be cap. Asma is wearing a yellow cap. Number 3. She has a dash in her hand. Just you see, children, what is in her hand? Very good. It is a ball. So the correct word will be ball. She has a ball in her hand. Number 4. Ali is wearing green dash. What Ali has wear of green color? Very good, children. It is shoes. Very good. The correct word will be shoes. Ali is wearing green shoes. Children, now it's homework time. Children, you just learned all the question answer and also write this in your English fair copy. Children, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Thank you.